first order of the day. This is gonna be Mr. Maple Donuts, $11 and change, going 8.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $15, going 6 miles, 5 items. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
There you go.
Got this next order right away. This is Black Rock Coffee, $8, going 6 miles.
All ready for you.
Thank you. That was all base pay, by the way. 0 tip. Okay, my dash just ended randomly, so I guess we're doing earn by time now. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we've got our first order. This is gonna be a stacked Black Rock Coffee going about 6.5 miles. Is there like a front desk here, do you know?
Huh?
Is there like a front desk right here? Because I don't...
You looking for somebody?
Yeah, for Aaron.
DoorDash.
Yeah, for Aaron.
Right here, buddy. Okay. As soon as you walk in,
Yeah.
walk straight on in,
Yep.
and make a left.
Left.
Yeah.
Just right here.
That's
In
it.
here. For Aaron.
Oh, thank you.
There you are.
I was coming to you.
No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
You have a good day. Why are people so useless? Not to be mean or anything, but like, first of all, how was I supposed to get in there if I needed a key card like he did? Second of all, didn't give me a room number or any instructions saying, hey, I'll meet you here. Come on, help me out a little bit. Oh yeah, those two were bad. No tip on either of them. So total ended up being $9 and change. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Total for that one ended up being $6, but it only took me like 12 minutes, I think it said, so not bad. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 3 miles. Yeah, for Jonathan.
Do you record yourself dashing?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Thank you. Have a good one. Total for that one was $4, and it took us 8 minutes apparently. I definitely don't like seeing $4, but it took like no time at all. And we got the next order right away. This one's going to be Muchas Gracias, going 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Total for that order was just under $8. Not bad, actually. Next order up, this is Victoria's Cafe going just under 9 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $13. Just got the next order. This one is Burgerville, $7 and change, going 4 miles. Yeah, for Esteban.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, have a good day.
You too. There you go. Have a good day. Got this order pretty much right away. This is Victorico's going 7 miles. Yep. Here you
go.
Thank you. Total for that one was just under $8. Ooh, a customer added $2 tip on a previous Victorino's drop-off. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 4.5 miles. Yeah. Not for that one. For Taryn?
Yeah, this is one.
Is it?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, gotcha. Had someone else's name on it. Accidentally read the employee name there. Whoops. There you are.
Appreciate it.
If you had guessed a no tip, you would be correct. Total ended up being $3 and change. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A going 4.5 miles.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $6. And we got the next order right away. McDonald's going 4 miles.
You got DoorDash?
Yeah.
What's the code?
FC6.
FC6. There you go. You're all set, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sit around.
2 bags for you.
Hopefully everybody gets lost.
There you are. Dude, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm doing one more. If this is a no tip, we're done. Total for that one was like $5, by the way. Next one is Burger King going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Total was $5. I'm just gonna go home. Current time is 10:40. Total, we are at $110. Now imagine if everybody tipped like at least $1. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.